Okay, so let's have a look here. So what happens to the like the gap, you know, between the light and this? Is it normal to keep a gap like that so water can come in and drain, and then drain out the bottom? Is that what the plan is? Kind of thing?
So it won't rust.
Yeah.
And there's nothing here.
Yeah.
All the metal that where this bucket has come to.
Yeah.
Usually they take and put a tack rivet in there. They'll try to rivet all these places.
Yeah.
But you ain't got a rivet gun and you ain't got pop rivets to do that.
Right. It might have. Rivets,
but then you got to worry about, you know, once you do that, drill there, here, and here to hold that up tight.
Yeah.
Then you got to take and worry about, well, you know, it's gonna work. You know, why is there rivets here when there's none over there?
I gotcha. Yeah, so is that side open over there?
Yeah. Well, it's not open.
Yeah.
It's got a metal bend that they put the metal.
Oh yeah,
and
it's
go
a
right
little
in
lip
here.
kind of thing. Yeah, it's a lip.
So
you have to have that gap, don't you? You have to. Yeah. Yep.
Like I say, that's the fall to it.
Yeah, I gotcha. So that's that light. Let me have a look at it. So that's that light kind of, that little thing, that metal part actually kind of sits under that lip of that light. So the light actually protrudes out over it some. Let's have a look. So see how that comes in a little bit more here? I wonder if we could just hammer that in a little bit so it just kind of comes in a little more under that. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah, kind of like that. So that way it's. Oh crap! It broke that.
It's that rusted. This some bitch is rusted out.
Yeah, I know.
So.
Yeah, I gotcha. Wow.
Well. Get the welder back out.
Dang, eh?
Okay.
I wonder if we should knock that in a little bit more because that's already broken off there anyway. If we should knock that in a little bit more there just to kind of while we have it.
I mean,
yeah.
Really. Come under that damn handle.
Yeah, that kind of just helps to kind of keep it under that a little bit more, eh?
Yeah, but now we still gotta re-weld on that.
Yeah. Yep. There you go, other way.
easy to do.
No, it's not.
It is not easy to do.
Let's have a look at pork chops work up close here. Oh, okay, there we go. So, I mean, that's good pork chop, man. It's good.
From rust to riches.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean,
it was looking a lot worse.
We do what we can.
So. Yeah, that's good, man. That's good. So I'm going to get started with bondoing that. Alrighty.